Hello and welcome to Your Positive Mind podcast, a guiding meditation using your senses and brought to you by theartofrealhappiness.com. I'm Andrew and I'll be guiding you through this meditation. I am very grateful for being part of your journey. This session is all about positive affirmations. If you are new to this practice, affirmations are phrases which you repeat to yourself and describe how you want to be. At first, they might not be true, but with repetition, they sink into your subconscious mind. You then start to believe in them. It is one of the best ways to reset your mind by replacing negative beliefs by positive ones. Those affirmations will give you back the control of your mind. Simply repeat each affirmation after me. And to get the best results, practice this session for 7 days in a row, or more if needed. Today, we will focus on boosting your immune system. A healthy immune system means a healthy body, a quick recovery from illness, and a strong resistance to problems like infection and disease. By strengthening your mind and solidifying the mind-body connection, you also strengthen your immune system and improve your overall health. Using these affirmations every day will help you to develop positive and healthy thoughts that will have a deep impact on your subconscious mind, but also improve the performance of your body and boost the functioning of your immune system. Let's start with our meditation. Boost your immune system affirmations. Find a relaxed and comfortable position. My guidance will assume you are sitting, but adapt the instructions to whatever posture you've chosen. Place your hands on your knees or in any position that feels comfortable. Allow your body to rest down into gravity and gently close your eyes or look downwards if that's comfortable for you. Focus on your breathing and start by taking a deep breath. Hold for 2 seconds. And exhale. Inhale. Hold for 2 seconds. And exhale. Inhale. Hold for 2 seconds. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to the natural flow of your breath and repeat those positive affirmations. I am healthy. My immune system is strong. I am grateful for this body I live in. I heal quickly. I speak words of peace to my body. I am resistant to illness. Thank you, immune system, for making my body a safe place to live in. Thank you for providing immunity from head to toe. My mind is focused on healing my body. My immune system is full of strength and power. My mind and body are in perfect harmony. My immune system protects me. I do everything I can to maintain a strong immune system. I listen to my body's needs. I feel how strong my body is. I have a strong, healthy body. I send positive energy to my immune system. I am transforming into someone who is always healthy. My immune system is getting stronger and stronger. My body heals on its own. I live in a clean body. I live with healthy cells. All my cells produce health. My body regenerates beautifully. I am in peak condition. I have strong and powerful antibodies. I am worthy of my strong body. I am embracing my healthy immune system. My immune system is incredibly powerful. My body can bounce back any affliction. I will strengthen my immune system. I will send positive thoughts to my immune system. I will overcome any illness that comes my way. My immune system is growing more and more powerful. I will improve my health by thinking positively. Others see me as someone who is always in perfect health. I am becoming more resistant to illness. I am starting to feel healthier and stronger. I have a naturally strong immune system. Being healthy and strong is normal for me. I can recover quickly from any health problem. Positive thinking keeps my immune system strong. I can achieve vibrant health. Recovering from illness rapidly is easy. I am pain-free and totally in sync with life. I am grateful for my healthy cells in my body. My immune system is now stronger than ever. My immune system is now healing on its own. My immune system is perfect, just the way it is. I will now do everything I can to maintain it in perfect health. Well done. Whenever you feel ready, just slowly open your eyes and feel how strong your immune system is now. Take this strength with you and remember, be kind to one another, including yourself. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation. Please share this journey with someone who will benefit from it as much as you did. Your positive mind wishes you an amazing day, filled with love and serenity. And for more positivity, visit our website, theartofrealhappiness.com.